Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Pixelchat AI character chat application. So first of all you need to install this app in your smartphone, then tap here open button. So allow it. So you can see here thousands character in your interface, so you have to choose anyone, but before that you have to create your account. So tap here right bottom corner, it's you, and tap create free account. Then you can see here couple of options: Google, Apple, X, and Discord. So tap here, then continue with your Gmail, and here you can see. So it's really easy and simple. First of all you need to confirm it. It's just chatting, and you have to give your username, for example and you must be 18 plus. So tap here. Now you can choose any of character, or you can search here. I'm just going to tap arena, this one. Once you tap the character, then you can see it's the first message. So now you can chat with that, and this character is female, anime, drama, and scenario. If you tap hi, and you can also share your photos here, you can see. So photos is here, but you need to upgrade if you want to see the photos of that character. And this one, and also you can see here you can create your own character here. So that's it.